Hello there, Famiri. How y'all doing? How y'all been? Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be talking about aloe vera. Yes, people. Today, as part of these joys of Christmas, I'm gonna give you the gift of aloe vera. I said it. If someone gives you the gift of aloe vera, they love you. If you give me aloe vera, it's like giving me an engagement ring. Yes, there, I said it. Let's do the joys of Christmas intro. Let's go. Okay, so this is aloe vera. If you don't know what aloe vera is, it's okay. I ain't gonna judge, get to know. But you probably ain't Caribbean if you don't know what aloe vera is, okay? Because Caribbean parents, Surinamese parents will have you using aloe vera for everything. Mom, I need something for my skin. Aloe vera. I need something to use for my hair. Aloe vera. No, but for real though, if you are Caribbean, chances are that either your mama or your grandmama or your great-grandmama or your auntie told you to use aloe vera. And if you didn't listen, shame on you, because now I'm here to tell you to use aloe vera. And I'm gonna tell you why. So before we go into the reasons why aloe vera is bae, some of y'all have been telling me you like the way I say aloe vera. How do I say aloe vera? A better question is, how do y'all say aloe vera? Because I don't feel like I say it in a very special way. But since y'all say it, thank you. And another gift for Christmas, I'm going to just say aloe vera a lot in this video. So I think that is a gift in itself. If you, I don't know. But here goes. Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Aloe, 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 aloe vera. So y'all know I use aloe vera in my hair. I've used it as a deep conditioner, which didn't really work for me, but I use it as a leave-in all of the time, and it just works for my hair. So I just wanted to know, why does this work for me? I knew it a little bit, but why does this work for me? So your girl did some research and got the laptop. I'm gonna read what I found. So the moisture content of aloe vera is 96%. Aloe vera is 96% water. So if you say your hair is dry, aloe vera. The moisture content in aloe vera conditions your hair, but not only that, it locks in moisture, nutrition, and hydration. The gel of the aloe vera, it forms a protective it forms a protective layer over your hair to protect you from outside elements like wind, dirt outside. It protects your hair, y'all. I put them all in my own wording, okay? So my second point, aloe vera has special enzymes in it. What do these enzymes do? I'm gonna tell you. These enzymes have two ways of working. So these enzymes, they heal and repair damaged cells on your scalp. Why was that hard for me to say? They heal damaged cells on your scalp. So what does that do? It improves like your scalp health, your follicle health from where your hair grows, which gives a better hair growth. And not only that, it stimulates follicles that have been dormant. The hair from that follicle is not growing because it's sleeping, it's dormant. But the aloe vera stimulates those follicles to give you better hair growth. Third point, aloe vera is anti-inflammatory, was the word I was gonna say, and antibacterial. So that's once again really good for your scalp. If your scalp is itchy, if you have dandruff, aloe vera. And lastly is the point that I've spoken about for a longer time, and that is that aloe vera has a pH of 4.5 to 5.5, and that is great for your hair because that is in the range of the pH of your hair. So using aloe vera after washing your hair brings the level of your hair's pH from a 7, around a 7, which is the pH of water, back to its normal range, which is 4.5 to 5.5. And I basically use it to seal moisture into my hair. I love that. So if after that you don't want to use aloe vera, I can't help you. I'm sorry. If after that you are not convinced, I don't know what to say after that. But now that you know all this, I kind of want to tell you what my favorite ways are of using this bad boy. Okay, let's get into that. So the first way that I experimented with using aloe vera is, like I said, sealing my hair. You can use aloe vera juice for this, but you can also just use pure aloe vera gel from the leaf. You guys have seen me doing this in my wash day video. I think in another video, Instagram controls my wash day, I also did that. But ever since I've been natural, I've been using aloe vera juice in like a spray bottle for just the same thing. So you can use the juice, you can use the gel. I personally like using the gel a little bit more than using the juice, but it's up to you. This works for low porosity hair, high porosity, all type of porosity. Everybody can do this, and it's a really great way to have the benefits of aloe vera without, you know, some of the hassle actually. So this is by far my favorite way. The second way that you can use aloe vera is as a pre-poo. Queen Mother, aka Whitney White, she showed us how to make a bomb aloe vera and oil pre-poo. I'm gonna link that video in the iCard. Amazing recipe. I don't need to say more. But what this does, this helps you get the benefits of aloe vera for your scalp. Like I said, it fights against itchiness. It fights against hair shedding. It wakes up dormant follicles. So get your life and do that aloe vera pre-poo. Another way to use aloe vera in your hair routine is by using making a DIY aloe vera hair mask. So I'm gonna also link some videos in the description box of people who do that. They just blend it, use the gel maybe with some other oils, and then they use it as a deep conditioner. My only tip would be, if you make it, strain the mixture, or else you're gonna have aloe vera flakes in your hair and it's hard to get out. That's the only thing I would say. No, that's not the only thing I would say. Another thing is, if you're gonna use aloe vera as a deep conditioner, know your hair porosity, sis. Don't be like me, because I did it at the beginning of the year. It just didn't work for my hair. I finna seal my hair during deep conditioning and then put all of the moisture of my styling products on sealed hair. That doesn't work. So for me, it doesn't work. If you're low porosity, I probably wouldn't advise that. If you're a high porosity, you will love this DIY mixture. Yes? Another way that I have seen people using aloe vera is they put it in their shampoo to make it more moisturizing. They also put it in a clay mask to make it more moisturizing. I haven't done that yet. I am gonna try using it in my clay mask, in my bentonite clay mask, the next time I do it. So I just wanted to share that. I think for low porosity, it would defeat the point because you need that shampoo to lift your cuticle. So that's the only reason I'm not gonna try it in a shampoo, but I might just do it in, a bentonite clay wash, or like maybe in a black soap wash. Like, hey, I am so gonna try that. So those are the ways that I wanted to recommend you to use aloe vera. Do you use it in other ways? Do you have the tea that we are not sipping yet? Girl, spill it. Let me know in the comments how you use aloe vera, because I would love to know, because this is bae. Okay, if you didn't know, now you know. Like I said, I got you. Why am I so extra? So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Send it to like your friends and your family, so people who need to know about aloe vera and don't. Send it to them, and it'll be a great Christmas present. Because like I said, aloe vera, when someone gives you aloe vera, it's the same thing like giving someone an engagement ring. Like giving someone a lifelong commitment. That means you love them when you give them aloe vera. So If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it. If you're new to my channel, please smash that subscribe button, and then you become part of the Famiri, which is how we say family in Surinamese. So when you click that button, you become part of the squad that we call Famiri. And if you're super loyal, click that notification bell, because some of you have been telling me you haven't been seeing my videos. Like, it's true what they say, YouTube is playing people. Click that notification bell, please, even if you're subscribed to me, to see my videos, guys, because that was so frustrating. Have a wonderful day, you wonderful human being. I will see you tomorrow for the joys of Christmas. You don't have to wait until tomorrow. I'm gonna put some other videos here, you know. I'm gonna let you enjoy. Yes, you better click it. And also in the comments, let me know your Christmas plans, yeah? What do you do for Christmas? Let me know. I'll see you there. Peace.